Hello guys, so we're gonna do a day in my life. So we're gonna prepare our breakfast for today morning, Saturday morning. Okay guys, let's go. Okay guys, my matcha drink is already empty, so let's make another one for my breakfast solution for the day. Okay guys, so we're gonna clean the cup first. Yes, we're gonna clean first. Let's remove all the straws first. Let's clean this one. Let's get some. Okay, let's get some. Okay. Let's put some water on it. Okay. Only a little water. Make it pressure. Let's put some hot water on it. Okay, only down. Okay, so let's take the cover. Let's cover this. Let's put this one here. Let's put this over here. Now my matcha is ready. Let's go. Okay, so let's take a makeup on myself. Let's go. Okay, guys, so those are my makeup tools. Those are okay. Let's start. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get my makeup tools. Here are my makeup tools. So let's start first with the skincare. Here's some more. Let's start with the skincare first. Okay. Okay, you can put it back because it's sticky. Okay, so this is may cinnamon pabango. Pabango ko itong cinnamon na to kasi sobrang cute talaga. Pabango ko talaga. So, let's go! Kapag umilaw siya, napabango ko na siya. Sabi niya, diba, cute. Tapos, ito naman ang aking lashes. Okay? Okay. So, ito naman ang aking mga hair clips. Okay, mga hair clips. Hindi ko sa paano labahas. Huwag ko na siya kayo isuot. Okay, so I'm pretty now. Let's make my matcha and let's go. Okay, we're gonna go on a store. Okay guys, may TV pa kami sa van. Ito guys. So, nanonood kami ng Family Feud. Okay guys, so nandito na kami. Pupunta kami sa Maria Isabel's Cafe and Restaurant. Okay, may kinuha lang ako. Okay. So, malapit na tayo sa Maria Isabel's Cafe Restaurant. Guys, nakikita ko. Parang, ito yata siya, guys. May mga damit lang siya sa ano. Ganda ng cafe and restaurant. Grabe, ang ganda. Dito tayo mauupo, guys. Ang problema, kailangan na natin kumuha ng upuan. So, let's get some chairs over there. Okay, guys. Ito na po ang ating chair. Uupo na tayo. Nasa na yung ating menu. It's 2025 of the year. Okay, so this is gonna be a good year. Okay, let's find some Maria Isabel's Cafe. Okay. Ito. Sinigang. And crispy chicken. Okay, that's all. At saka surprise na lang sito. Crispy pata po, at saka po crispy chicken, at saka po sinigang na isda po, at saka surprise na lang po na sito. Thank you po. I love my matcha at the table so let's see. What's my matcha? Here it is. This is my favorite matcha ever. So I wanted to try it for real because I love it so much to be the most. Grabe guys, may mga freebies pa dito na pagkain sa Maria Isabel's Cafe and Restaurant. Ayan o, napakarami talaga guys. Oo. Okay, sinabi ko na lang po sa kanya na papadeliver na lang po ako. Chocolate, wafer sticks. You can, sabi daw ni sabi niya daw, pwede ko daw kunin to without asking permission. Pwede naman daw. Grabe guys, nakatikim na talaga ako ng ganito. Grabe, sobrang sarap talaga. Parang mas masarap pa siya sa stick o. Talaga. Okay guys, let's go. Okay guys, sa bahay na tayo. So many hard works to do. Pupunta tayo sa rooftop ko. Okay, so nandito tayo sa rooftop ko. Ito kasi yung bahay ng rooftop ko. Meron akong bahay sa rooftop. Monoblock na upuan. So, I'm gonna tell you the book that I really like. Wait This one. So, I have 228 photo cards. There are so many. Grabe, sobrang dami talaga. May hinalo pang bini, tapos meron pang nandito. Marami talaga siya, guys. Ayun o, meron pa nakaano. O, diba? Ang dami. Binibigyan pa kasi ako ng mga classmates ko sa school. 37 binigay sa akin. Naging ano siya. Okay? So, bibigay ko na lang to sa neighborhood kids namin. Okay? This is my... Okay, guys. So, I have this pumpkin and a Barbie like this. Pwede ko siyang lagyan ng matcha, kaya lang luma na siya. Nabili na siya already. Nagamit ko na to dati. Tapos ito, maganda siya. Gusto ko nga gamitin kahit malinis pa siya. Ayan o. Malinaw siya. Sa Miniso ko to binili eh. Sa bar, guys. Ano ba? Tapos meron akong bulalo. Okay. Tapos ko pa may balon. Okay, guys. This is my little bed. This is my balloon. Okay. So, guys, ito yung closet namin. Nibot ko talaga itong t-shirt na to. Kasi, kurumi siya. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Diba? Alam mo, favorite ko talaga, guys, yung kurumi. Okay, guys. So, let's give a shout out to the vlog. Okay, so let's fix my bed. Guys, we're going to fix my bed. Let's fix my bed. Okay, guys, let me see. Look at how I fix my bed. Okay, guys, is it pretty? I love how I fix my bed. So, do you see this red thing over here? It's my other closet. I love this color so much. Kasi pinapinturahan ko lang ito ng pula. Okay, guys, I'm so smelly now, so let's take a pabango. Diba? Nagsasabi siya yung I love you. Okay, ganun po siya. This red thingy. So, maganda po siya. Okay, guys. So, bye-bye to my vlog.